Good morning. Today we are correcting PO39, solving an equation with addition or subtraction. So remember, there were the three different ways that we could solve it: using that logic question, just thinking it through, using opposite operations. If we were adding, then we subtracted, or finding that fact family that helps give us that answer. So let's look at, I have the answers written down. If you are not sure how I got my answer, we can walk through the steps so we understand how we got the answers. So this first one is n equals 12, n equals 10, n equals 14. The next row is n equals 30, n equals 8, and n equals 19. Any questions on those top two rows? Right. Then we have n equals 5, n equals 64, n equals 35, n equals negative 7, n equals negative 2, n equals negative 5. Any questions on the bottom two rows? Feeling good about doing those adding and subtracting? Okay. And then using addition and subtraction each one time, write two equations, so 4 equations total, with a variable of 5. Remember, I told you what you want to do is find your equation using the number 5 and then turning that 5 into a variable. So you could have something like n plus 7 equals 12, and then the opposite of it, 12 minus n equals 7. I also had n plus 2 equals 7, 7 minus n equals 2. I know we did one together as a class. I think it was 6 plus n equals 11. 11 minus n equals 6, if I remember right. I think that's the one I used as the example. What did you do, Adeline? Yeah, so what that would be the 11 minus n equals 6. So you took that 5 out and you put the variable in for it. But the easiest way to do it is to figure out what the equation is with your number, and then you take, like here, if our variable equaled 8, I made an equation using the number 8, and then I turned it into the variable. How do we feel like we did with that one? Because this will be on the test. You will have to make equations with variables, and they'll tell us what that variable equals. So you need to be comfortable figuring out the equation and then putting that variable in for it, and it cannot equal the variable. You want that variable in that first part. All right, if you are watching this at home, I hope you are well, and I hope to see you soon. Have a wonderful day.